This is the Earth Science Classroom. We are talking about dendrochronology, the scientific study of tree rings, and how we can use this tree ring, this tree cookie and tree slice to analyze the growth of the tree from the pith in the center out through annual rings, through the heartwood, through the sapwood, into the cambium, and eventually to the bark, but the growth of this tree. Now, if you see these beautiful annual rings, which means the growth over the course of 1 year. This ring is in two sections. You have spring wood, which is called early wood, and you have late wood or summer wood. Now, it's the growth in different times of year. So during the spring and early summer, you have the most growth in the tree based on the sunlight, photosynthesis, based on water, spring showers, and you get the enlarged growth. This is the lighter part. So this right here, you have the lighter part right here, large amount of growth right here. And then you have this darker, small layer, thin layer. That would be the late wood or the summer wood, where you have a decrease in the rate of growth and it comes darker. And these two, so the lighter plus the darker, equals the annual growth of the tree. And as you see throughout this beautiful oak tree slice, that we have a varying amount and speed of growth. And the dead wood right here, the heartwood, you can see here with the sapwood, you see the growth is kind of consistent for the past 7 to 8 years. And you see a little bit of change maybe with the growth, but pretty much the same amount of growth on this tree for the past 7 to 8 years. So we can assume or use this proxy data to interpret the climate or the weather patterns over the past 7 to 8 years would be rather consistent based on the size and growth of these annual rings. Again, you have the spring wood being the lighter one, and then the very thin layer, which is the late wood or summer wood, where the growth decreases and slows down through the change of solar concentration, angle, and the availability of water into the late summer or even the early fall. This is the Earth Science Classroom. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, and share. And if you want more content and videos on Earth Science, please check out my channel.